Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna explain something that will change your trading completely and will actually maybe make you profitable, since this is the most important thing in trading. And if you don't master that, you won't be profitable. It's really simple. Since first of all, you have to have a different mindset. All the people are saying that you should always just trade this one strategy, and it's not about that, okay? It's about market experience. I talked about that a lot, but it's not like everyone could just wait for London sweep and just break our structure and go in then. There is no rules in the market that you can easily make your or can make you profitable. You have to have strategy that you know in and out. You backtested it so much that you know when it will work out and when it doesn't. And this can't be with rules. This is just intuition from your brain. And this is how you can learn it, okay? Wait, I have to delete this. But before this, I want to show you something. I actually worked on a Discord. I know I make a lot of ad for that, but I really want to grow it. So if you want to join it, it's in the video description. I will give away a 5k funded, and it's really easy to get since it's a small community yet. So just join there, and you can easily participate in the giveaway. So first of all, we're gonna do the same thing again as always. We're gonna mark Asia Open, London Open, and New York soon. Okay, what can we see here already? We see consolidation, a really good one. Like a really, really clear consolidation. So this would look like a good setup. So you can take all this thing here, mark it like this, yellow box. So what do we do now? We go in 1 hour and see if the sweep actually matches the bias. And my bias here would be 100% that it will go to at least this fair value gap right there. Since first of all we took liquidity here already, and we tapped into the 50% mark probably, like just from the eye I can see it, yeah, it's above it. And we probably currently have a good volume area here. So what will happen is it will open, actually sweep the low, and then trap some smart money contributors that are trading this. This is exactly what I mean, okay? And then we go down into this area. I'm pretty sure. I can't 100% predict the market. That's normal since otherwise I would be rich already, no? So it would probably retrace to that area and then just go down completely into this area, or actually seeking for this liquidity. So, but for like, it's really, it's probably going for this 100%, but this is like, it could happen if it is respected, you know? So let's see what happens. But I'm pretty sure of this one. No, my connection is too bad. Wait, I'm gonna restart my connection real quick and then I will be back. Okay, it works now again, perfect. As you can see here, a clear sweep. I'm not, does it do now? It actually doesn't react to the sweep, okay? It even swept this one, but what can we see here? It's actually not doing that. I'm pretty sure it will retrace a little bit though. Oh, I'm telling you, what? You're seeing it. It's actually reacting on this line that I drew before perfectly. So what are we waiting for now? It's actually probably seeking this. It's making it's taking that out, and then it will retrace again since that's normal in a trend. We had like this here, this here, this, and this will be the last push since this is the Elliott wave theory. I think I never watched a video about it or something, but I think it's only this. So let's see. Okay, this is a clear fair value gap that we could use. Retrace into it. We go in 3 minutes. We want it to sweep this again since this. Or maybe if it makes, yeah, it sweeps that. And now it sweeps that again. Now it makes a clear breaker structure to the downside. And now we can actually enter that. And since it's close to New York opening, it's pretty, like, I'm pretty sure that it will hunt for this, for the open, you know? So let's see. I would make my stop loss above this and aim for this. And this would be my first TP if the thing is good, but it's not. So I'm just aiming for this all the way down here with 1%. It's a sell limit. I don't want to sell limit. I wanted to instantly do it with the market. And even if it doesn't work out, It's a high probability trade, what is happening here right now. So even if it doesn't work out, it's a 1-3 risk reward. If I only trade setups like this, I will be profitable. I can't even do this thing right now. Okay. Okay. Okay, we got stopped out. Ouch. I think I should have made a little bit of breathing room, since this is a setup probably a lot of people will see. But as I said, now it makes the clear break structure to the downside. We can re-enter on this. The idea wasn't bad. I just didn't give it enough breathing room, so now I will do it a little bit. And it hits it. And even disrespect this, so it's probably hunting for the liquidity all the way down here. Unlucky that I got stopped out here, but that was 100% my mistake, because I could have either made this, but my risk reward was bad, so I should have made it with some breathing room. But the idea was good, so I re-entered on this. You shouldn't re-enter if the idea was bad, but the idea was good, so I just re-entered on this, and we are up still. Obviously, now you journal it, and then next time you won't make the same mistake again. And yeah, I think that should be it for the video. Just as I said, go on the charts and backtest it, see what looks good and see what doesn't look good. Normal people would have entered here after the sweep, break structure, and would have aimed for this, but it's just that the market doesn't look like it wants to take that out, so we are just not aiming for this. And now, since we are actually completely disrespecting this, I'm pretty sure that we will have a retracement once again, since it's like faking a reaction, which it probably doesn't. And we could even take our Fibonacci right here, wait for a back movement, Fibonacci right there, wait for it to go above the 50% mark here. Now we go in, we're already in 3 minutes. Okay, it sweeps all the way there. Actually, it didn't fake it out then, but as I said, we can't 100% predict the market. It's probably just bouncing on this order block then, and then now it will probably hunt for this. Since we did our trendy thing here, like lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and normally it changes trend then, I think. That's the Elliott wave theory, but as I said, I never watched a video about it. I hope this video helped you, and see you next time.